crafty people. In this video, we're going to be talking about BPhdc, which stands for back post half double crochet. So this watch, as you can see, is very textured. It's kind of got that waffle look. It's worked with alternating back post stitches and regular half double crochet stitches. So how do you make it? Any post stitch refers to the post of the stitch rather than the top loops of a stitch that you normally work when you're making any kind of crochet stitch. So let's make a back post stitch with half double crochet. How do you do it? You start like you normally would with the yarn over. Insert your hook between the previous stitch and the working stitch, and then back to the back of the work between your working stitch and the next stitch. Yarn over, bring that loop all the way back, and you've got 3 loops on your hook like you normally do with half double crochet. Yarn over and pull through all of the 3 loops on your hook. Next stitch in this pattern is a regular half double crochet, so I'm going to yarn over into the loops of the bow stitch and through all of 3. Next stitch is another back post half double crochet, so yarn over between stitches, back to the back, and as you can see, the hook ends up in the back twice. So it's more in the back than it is in the front. So that is an easy way to remember that this is a back post. It brings the stitches to the back of the work, it pushes the back, and the hook ends up in the back twice. Yarn over, bring the hook back up. You've got 3 loops. Yarn over and through all of the 3 loops. And this is a half double crocheted work in the back post.